Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to reveal your map in Crimson Desert. Revealing your map makes traversal easier for you as a player. You can reveal your map by ringing the bells inside a tower or atop a tall structure. The first bell you'll encounter is in the beginning of the game, right where you complete the Saving a Cat quest. If you climb up to the same house where you rescued the cat, you'll see a small bell in front of the house. Get close to this bell and ring it. This will start a cutscene that introduces you to a faction quest.
It's clearly.
If you open the map, you'll notice that it removed the fog in the map in a specific area. There are 8 bells in total that you can ring. And that is how to reveal your map in Crimson Desert. Thank you so much for watching.